I just think I'm more present, period. My attention isn't split. I can just focus on the client.
If you have a workforce spending their time focusing on the documentation piece, then that's less time that they're able to give to the client that's in front of them. I think that we'll have better outcomes as an agency whenever our clinicians are able to focus on the individual in front of them rather than focusing on what is this going to look like in the body of a note.
I think it's great because it does help save time. It helps you to be very present, like in that moment with your client. It's definitely helped me to be focused and attentive to the client versus trying to keep track of what I'm doing in my head and on paper.
When you're first training, you have a lot of opportunities for feedback. I mean, someone's in the room with you, or there are two-way mirrors, or all kinds of teaching devices. And then that stops. And I think in some way, we come to a bit of a halt in terms of our development. Eleos is a feedback system. So they have a list of the keywords that I use during the session. And then they also have a list of the keywords the client used. If they're very different, I need to stop and think about that. Maybe my attunement isn't what I thought it was.
It's helped me to be a better clinician, I feel. I myself don't recognize what I've done at times during sessions. Let's say I haven't done too many open-ended questions or closed-ended questions, or the amount of time that I speak. That section, letting me know what are the skills I am providing for therapy, has really benefited me in trying to become a better therapist.
Therapists used emotional regulation technique, or therapists used whatever. If I were to equate it to a therapeutic model, I am doing those things. My mind just doesn't think about it as I'm doing it. My goal in treatment with people is to build relationships. They are going to get the most benefit out of me having a relationship with them and being heard and having a safe space to kind of process this stuff.
Eleos has been a lifesaver. I absolutely love the product. I love the ease of use. I love that it has freed me up to be fully present with the client, which is what brought me to this field to begin with.